Hello everyone, I'm Yu Jiao. Welcome to RWD's core manufacturing base. Today, I'll take you deep inside this modern, intelligent factory spanning over 10,000 square meters to explore how we transform cutting-edge R&D into reliable instruments that serve global research, clinical, and veterinary users. Let's get started. Our first stop takes us to the foundation of quality behind all precision instruments, High Precision Machining Workshop. Here, we have deployed over 20 sets of internationally top-tier processing and inspection equipment. It houses imported 5-axis machining centers, high-precision grinding machines, multiple CNC machines, and is equipped with advanced CMEMs, optical measuring instruments, specialized anechoic test chambers, and aging test rooms. Let's take a look at our full range of high-precision CNC machines, including 3-axis, 4-axis, and 5-axis. With a repeat positioning accuracy of plus or minus 0.003 millimeters, which is 1/10 the diameter of a human hair, and multi-axis linkage technology. We seamlessly handle everything from high-efficiency mass production of simple geometries to full-scenario machining of highly complex parts like free-form surfaces and microcavities. These facilities not only build a highly reliable skeleton for our instruments, but also form the foundational support for RWD's core technologies, such as precision transmission and optical imaging. Now, let's step into the instrument production area, where more than 40 product assembly lines are laid out. First is the processing and assembly line for stereotaxic instruments. During assembly, each instrument undergoes precision inspection across 6 directions along the X, Y, and Z axis, ensuring absolute deviation in each direction is less than or equal to 2.5 micrometers. Furthermore, each instrument is uniquely paired with its crossarm to guarantee spatial positioning accuracy, providing a trusted benchmark for stereotactic research in laboratory animals. Now we've arrived at the heart of the anesthesia machine, the production line for vaporizers. For anesthesia machines, vaporizer stability is core to ensuring safety. That's why we adhere to the principle of one machine, one report. Every vaporizer you receive comes with a factory inspection report uniquely linked to its serial number, ensuring data authenticity and full traceability. RWD vaporizers feature exceptional temperature and flow compensation, enabling the anesthesia machine to deliver precise and stable anesthesia output in a wide temperature range. This visible rigor and tangible stability have earned our anesthesia machines the trust of over 50,000 users worldwide. This critical step we're seeing is the installation of the power engine for a high-speed benchtop centrifuge. The RWD motor delivers powerful performance at up to 18,000 revolutions per minute while maintaining vibration amplitude within 0.01 millimeters and speed accuracy within plus or minus 1 revolution per minute. Its innovative self-locking rotor design allows users to securely lock and replace it tool-free in just 3 seconds. Here we are at the assembly and testing station for CO2 incubators. We use surround heating membrane technology, enabling 180 degrees high temperature dry heat sterilization. It is equipped with an IR sensor resistant to 190 degrees Celsius and a high-precision solenoid valve, which detects subtle changes in carbon dioxide and oxygen in real time for compensation. The internally designed air duct and water pan circulation filtration structure ensure highly uniform temperature and CO2 levels, as well as a clean chamber environment. At RWD, every product must pass our rigorous quality system inspection before it can enter the warehouse. Take this cryostat as an example. Before delivery, it must pass the ultimate test, C1 to C8 fully intelligent quality inspection. At this stage, we comprehensively simulate real-world customer usage scenarios, ensuring it achieves precise 0.5 micrometer sample feeding and maintains temperature fluctuation within 2 degrees Celsius even after 3 hours of continuous operation with the window fully open. Our confidence in making such commitments stems from our control over the source and our in-depth mastery of core technologies, which not only ensures instrument precision, but also empowers us to break through technological barriers. This very osmotic pump, breaking foreign monopolies, stands as proof of our dedication to technology. It enables 6-week continuous and stable drug delivery, significantly enhancing treatment effectiveness while reducing side effects. At RWD, for every product, from the precision machining of core components to final assembly, each step strictly adheres to our quality commitment to accuracy, safety, and reliability. Earlier in the workshop, we witnessed micron-level precision, a standard of rigor that culminates in a global equipment arsenal. What we provide is never just a single product, but a full process solutions for the life science industry. Here, you'll find not only precision instruments like anesthesia machines and centrifuges ready for deployment, but also a full line of consumables that work seamlessly with them, supporting every step from surgical modeling to drug administration. Every effort we make in our factory ultimately contributes to successful explorations in laboratories worldwide. So far, RWD products serve over 100 countries and regions and have supported the publication of more than 14,500 SCI index papers. Behind these numbers are our continuous investment of 15% of annual revenue into R&D and the steadfast operation of our 10,000 class intelligent factory. Moving forward, we remain committed to providing ever more reliable support for the life sciences.